Back to the Future has become a thing of the past. Today was the last day for the groundbreaking thrill ride. Universal Studios Hollywood is closing it down to make way for a new ride. Jane Yamamoto is live at Universal with more. Jane.
Well, John, just a couple of hours ago it had its final flight. Nearly 61 million people have taken this wild ride, and today marked the end of an era. Time traveling in a DeLorean, it's a ride based on the 1985 hit movie Back to the Future.
Shutdown in the year 2015.
Marty McFly is the most amazing, beautiful man in the world, but he is. I love you, Michael J. Fox.
Irma Jerome was just 3 years old when the ride opened. Now she's 18.
I feel like my childhood is ending today.
This marked the theme park's first high-tech thrill ride nearly 15 years ago. Some fanatic fans came dressed for its final flight.
I'm dressed up as Doc Brown. I had to come and pay my respects, as it were, for the last day, and it means a lot, so...
Sad?
I'm a little sad. I think we're all a little sad, right, guys? Yeah. Yes, so...
It's really a fascinating visual experience.
With the ride coming to an end, has their memory of the movie faded away with time? What was the flux capacitor?
I don't know.
The professor had and it kind of exploded or something.
The flux capacitor is what makes time travel possible.
Oh yeah, he nailed it. Next question. How fast did the DeLorean need to go to travel through time?
Don't know.
I think like 300 miles per hour. What did I tell you? 88 miles per hour.
Right again. 16-year-old Sam from Sherman Oaks knows the trivia. So how many times has he taken this ride?
18 today.
And how many times over the course of your lifetime?
Hundreds.
Okay, so now that the future is in the past, what will the next ride be? It will be based on the longest-running sitcom in TV history. That's right, just a matter of time, of course. The Simpsons, yes, they will have a ride out here starting next year. Live at Universal Studios Hollywood, Jane Yamamoto, Fox 11 News.